So this is an example of what your title page for your formal research essay should look like. This page is done in what we call APA style. There is something at the top, beginning on the left-hand side of the page, called a running head, which means that should be a shortened version of your title, and you need to have that on every page. This is so that at the post-secondary level, your professor, the person marking your paper, your instructor, isn't going to get your pages mixed up or lose them. A lot of instructors do not like stapled pages. They like them to be paper clipped, and obviously papers get, moved around. So that's a way for you to ensure that that person can follow that it's your work. Notice on the opposite side, on the right-hand side at the top, is the number 1. So your title page is actually the first page of your essay. There is a title centered down, a few more lines down, which is a more formalized title, The Benefits of Therapy Dog Visits in Libraries. So that's the person's creation that wrote this paper and did the research, did the documentation on this topic. Then the writer's name appears second. So the student who handed this in, her name was Jen Booth. Physical therapy, and then the class course code, THPY, all capitals with numbers, would come after that. For your purposes, you would put ELAA 30 there. Professor Jamie Smith, that's because it is a post-secondary paper, so you would instead put your teacher's name, my name, make sure you spell it right, make sure there is a period after a Mr. or a Ms. or a Mrs. like there should be, and take care to ensure that your spacing is appropriate here as you see. Finally, the date the paper is due. That's crucial. Many instructors take off late penalties for late papers, especially at the next level of your education. So you have to ensure that you are adhering to the due date that it is expected to be submitted by.